Today I will show you how to install WordPress one local host using XAMPP. So I'm go to my blog website. Here has instruction step by step. This is localhost instruction here. Step 1: download and install XAMPP. Visit the official site fscfriend.org. Open link in new tab. This is XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, XAMPP for OX. I will download XAMPP for Windows. This is downloading here. No need to download at this moment. I have already downloaded this, so I'll go to download folder and install this. Welcome to XAMPP. Okay, next, click next. This is finished. Click finish step now. Open XAMPP content panel. Here I will one FSC and MySQL. I start FSC and MySQL. This is green single, that's mean FSCL MySQL will be running. So close this. I'll go to blog site. Step 3: download to WordPress. Go to wordpress.org/download. Open new tab. This is wordpress.org face. I will download this. Downloading now. No need download this. I have already downloaded, so close these steps. I'll go to download folder. This is WordPress folder. I will be extract here. Extract here this folder. This is finished, so I go to my blog website. Step 4: create database. So open browser and go to this link, localhost/phpMyAdmin. Open new tab. This is database create folder. Click new. Here put the database name WordPress_DB and click create. Processing request. Already created database WordPress_DB. So I'll go to this. Close this. So I'll go to blog site. Move WordPress file to htdocs. this is WordPress folder. I will copy all file and I will go to cdive and XAMPP and htdocs. I have created a new file, new folder. This folder name will be my website. Here paste WordPress file. Okay, so back this is my domain name, my website. So localhost / my website. Visit this site. Open new tab. This is WordPress site. Database name, database username, database password, etc. Database name, WordPress _ db. Username, I will put the root. Password, no need, will be blank. So I'll go to blog site. Here is the instruction, database name, root, password blank. So I'll go to this will be run. Submit this. Run the installation. I'll go to WordPress blog site. Set your site title, admin user, password and email. Click install, done. So I'll go to my WordPress instruction site name, my new website, username, admin, password, @admin. Confirm password, mail ID, input here, admin @gmail.com. Search engine visibility, discuss. I'll click this. So I'll go to install WordPress. Click here. Complete successfully. Finished. Login and give here username. Username is admin and password @admin. Click login. This is localhost my website dashboard site. Open. This is full website size, so I will go to another tab. Localhost / my website. This is my website visible part. Thank you very much.